Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. Scroll down and search Twitter from here. Click on Twitter. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Twitter lag on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.